Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Power BI service and using a workspace where you have publish rights. Choose plus create and select streaming dataset. Pick API if you will push JSON or EOT hub/pubnub for device streams. Next, you define field names and types, number, text, date, time, and enable historical data if you want to cache values. Once done, note the push URL and sample JSON schema. You will need them to send real events immediately, so copy them now. After creating the dataset, send test events to confirm the schema matches. Use curl or postman to post JSON to the push URL and watch the workspace metrics. Once data flows, add a dashboard tile. Pick Add Tile, choose Custom Streaming Data, and select your dataset, then choose the visual type that suits the data. Make sure to set aggregation functions and the time window because streaming tiles render differently than report visuals. If charts look wrong, recheck field types and payload keys. To finalize, automate your data pushes using an SDK, Azure function, or Logic app. Schedule retries and backoff for reliability. Make sure workspace and capacity limits are respected because streaming datasets can hit ingestion or retention caps. Once done, pin additional tiles and tune visual time windows for meaningful real-time insights. If something breaks, first validate the JSON keys and types against the dataset schema. Confirm you use the correct push URL, and test with a minimal payload to isolate errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.